Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile on a laptop. First, you'll need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics an Android device on your computer. Official emulators, like GameLoop, are often recommended because they are specifically designed for gaming and offer optimized performance. Before you begin, make sure your laptop meets the emulator's minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Once you've chosen an emulator, navigate to its official website and download the installer. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts. After installation, launch the emulator and you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the Google Play Store, where you can download Call of Duty Mobile just like you would on a phone. With the game installed, it's time to optimize your settings. Most emulators offer robust key mapping tools, allowing you to customize keyboard and mouse controls for precise aiming and movement. Additionally, dive into the in-game graphics settings. You can often choose between balanced performance and high fidelity. Aim for a high frame rate, such as 60 frames per second, to ensure the smoothest possible gameplay and a significant competitive advantage. To truly excel, consider these pro tips. Always use a stable internet connection, preferably wired, to minimize latency and avoid frustrating lag spikes. Close any unnecessary background applications on your laptop to free up valuable system resources, ensuring your game runs as smoothly as possible. Finally, consistent practice is key. Spend time in training modes to refine your aiming, movement, and overall strategy, turning you into a formidable player.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.